2007, 20th of May, as we sat in front of the computer and downloaded the results. The batch of 2006-2007 did us extremely proud, with Lohit Bijani topping the school with 97.57%. We congratulate you, Mr. and Mrs. Bijani. He not only topped our school, lo behold, much more was to come in store for us. He even topped Maharashtra. Congratulations, Lohit. He's sitting somewhere there. Can you please stand up and let the entire audience acknowledge you? Lohit Bijani with 97.57%. Topped Maharashtra and did HFS proud. Thank you, Lohit. He gets the Governor's Gold Medal and a check of rupees 7,000 as the PTA prize. He's the proud beneficiary of this. The parent body has seen you. Lohit, can you just face them? Not to follow suit is Harsh Maheshwari, who secured 96.57% and a 7 aggregate. He is awarded the Governor's Gold Medal and a check of rupees 5,000. We have Dr. Maheshwari, Mr. and Mrs. both Drs. Maheshwari seated over here. Thank you so much, dear parents, for making this possible. We have Sanjana Mahapatra, who stood third with 95.57% and is awarded a check of rupees 3,000 and a PTA prize. 7 aggregate goes to those children who get more than 90% in at least 7 subjects. These prizes were given to Uma Priyanka, who secured 95.28%, Isha Shinke secured 95%, Lakshmi Priya secured 94.85%, and Ankita Chopra, who secured 94.71%, all with a 7 aggregate. We had 20 students securing 90% and above, 24, 80% and above, 6 students securing 70% and above. And dear parents, they did our school proud. This was the result of 2007. Thank you, dear children. Thank you, dear parents, for making this feat possible. All right, children, you may return. The parents have seen all of you. All are bright stars. 80 students sat for the ICSE board examination 2008. Once again, month of May. All of us teachers sitting in front of the computers with our hearts beating fast, but there was a smile on all our faces. Paridhi Gulati did the school proud by securing 96.43%. We have the parents, Paridhi, Mr. and Mrs. Gulati, thank you so much. She is awarded the Governor's Gold Medal and a check of 7,000 by the PTA. Srija Datta and Ayushi Laga, both of them did the school proud by securing 95.43% and a 7 aggregate. They are awarded with the Governor's Gold Medal and a check of thank you, Paridhi. This is Paridhi Gulati, 2008 winner. We have Ayushi Laga here, who secured the 2nd prize and a 7 aggregate with the Governor's Gold Medal of rupees 5,000. Sahitya Rani and Atri Jagor secured 94.43 and a 7 aggregate. They are awarded with the Governor's Gold Medal and a check of 3,000. Piyush Gulchandani secured 94% with a 7 aggregate. He is also awarded with the Governor's Gold Medal. We congratulate each and every one of you. You have done us proud, you have done the school proud, your parents proud, your teachers proud, and I'm sure you're going to be doing your country proud. Thank you so much. We had 26 students securing 90% and above, dear parents, 28 students securing 80% and above, and 12 students securing 70%. I congratulate the students, their parents, and the staff to whom the results are in a large measure due, having contributed to the formation of all these children. We are growing. We are growing by leaps and bounds. Our architect is sitting right here in the second row, Mrs. Sharmishta, who has made the new school possible. And our children enjoying the beautiful treatment given to the new school. Thank you to the Hirandanis and to the entire group of people who are working behind them. But we had to increase our strength. So we have taken in 60 teachers, all well qualified, well experienced, many of them having experience even in the schools abroad. I welcome the new teachers, Mr. Rashmin Bhagwat, Mrs. Shruddha Alik, Mrs. Sujata Hirimat, Mrs. Trupti Wengamkar, Mrs. Dipali Ganatra, Mrs. Parul Priya, Mrs. Matuli Ganguly, Mrs. Kirti Nirantan, Mrs. Vaishali Tare, Mrs. Padmaja Nair, Mrs. Srija Nair, Mrs. A.B. Visalakshmi, Mrs. Deepika Rupmani, and Mrs. Chaitali Mazumdar. All of them you will meet by and by as we have our orientations. However, in the teaching career, as in all careers, there are always staff that leave us and have to move on. We bid them farewell with a lot of good wishes, and we hope that they will do well wherever they go. But we cannot forget that each one of them have touched the lives of these children, and part of them remain in these children by what they have taught them. The teachers who have left the institution are Mrs. Deborah Vartak, Mrs. Anhaita Landers, Mrs. Amrita Kumar, Mrs. Shobha Sundaram, Mr. Jude Rodrigues, Mrs. Divya Gupta, Mrs. Sangeeta Deshwal, and Mrs. Padma Nagda and Mr. Praveen Dagi. A teacher touches the lives of children in their formative years, and no child can ever forget their teachers. When teachers move on, they leave behind their footprints, and that is what we must applaud and thank them for. We wish them all the best. Dear parents, all these children here are going to be the future of tomorrow and are going to do us proud. Although we have a lot of dark areas, especially when we come from abroad, and we see that the logistics in India is missing, but our children are occupying good positions all over the world. And they do make us proud wherever they are. And HFS students are surely going to do them, because on the Independence Day, Republic Day, we make it very, very clear to each and every one of them that the Indianness is extremely preserved. The very fact that you all are here shows that we also believe a lot in the traditional Indianness of being there for our children. And I'm sure they will do us proud. Teachers' Day was celebrated with a lot of reverence to the teachers. And I firmly believe, being a teacher for 27 years, I firmly believe that children must be taught to revere their teachers, because they are the ones who very selflessly give so much of themselves to the children. They become mothers when you are at home. They listen to them and give them their shoulders. You not will know that. Very often, a lot of problems that the children face, we know it. And therefore, Teachers' Day becomes a very important day for all of us at HFS. The children went out of their way to give us a beautiful performance. Our PTA also stepped in and made us feel so good on that day. Thank you. And our management treated us to a very nice lunch. It was Teachers' Day out. Thank you. We are churning out leaders every year. And although we did not have our annual awards function